Hey everybody, time for another demo. Not too much has changed. I've been doing some UI and usability tweaks. Also, don't worry about this button for now. I'm going to come back to that. But I've increased the size of the text and the buttons on the main menu, um, and then kind of just maybe given like a brief little introduction. That may change later, but probably not too much at this point. And then if I click start, this text is also a little bit larger. Um, Same as when you submit. This oop, this text is larger, so hopefully it's a little bit easier to read. I've redone the menu, new icon, courtesy of www.flaticon.com, which is where I got these other icons that you can see. And so this text is bigger as well as the buttons. And finally, I've made it so that when you look at the mission debriefing screen, you don't see this OK button until it's done typing out, just to kind of make it a little bit more streamlined. And then the last thing to show is this exception handler button. I've got it so now one of the testers was seeing a problem with a crash that none of the rest of us were seeing. So I put in a global exception handler that will now dump a log file whenever it crashes. The location depends on Windows or Android, but I can simulate an unhandled exception by clicking this button, which I'll remove in probably the next version. And that will cause the program to crash. I can just cancel this. And then if I go to my local app data folder, I now have a log file that gives me the details of the exception. And I can see that this is just a test exception, nothing big, but it gives me a stack trace that tells me where it came from. So hopefully if there are any crashes in the future, that'll help me track them down. All right, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.